Now Europe has lost nearly 90% of its wetlands. Restoring and protecting these natural sites is vital for the environment, wildlife and the communities who live close by. That's the aim of the Waterlands project. Effective, large-scale, socially just restoration of Europe's damaged wetlands. A team of 13 experts from across Europe is gathering at the Wetlands International office in Ede in the Netherlands for the Waterlands Integration Workshop. As part of their ongoing work on integration, the team is here to explore a new, combined approach to wetland restoration. One that will help develop a new, strong narrative around this critical issue. At the heart of the Waterlands project is the need to upscale wetland restoration in a way that delivers not just environmental benefits, but social and economic benefits too, for the people who live close to or work on the wetlands. To achieve this, the Waterlands project is applying a range of insights and initiatives that have emerged over the last 20 years from various knowledge sites to 6 new action sites in Italy, Holland, Bulgaria, Estonia, the UK and Ireland. By working and learning together, the project teams are testing new ways to successfully restore the wetlands and engage local communities. These practical, on-the-ground solutions are helping to address the social, ecological, financial and governance challenges that exist at each location, and they are putting in place a system that will build a valuable legacy for the Waterlands project. This exciting, inspiring workshop has brought together a range of experts from policy, ecology, stakeholder engagement, art and finance. These different disciplines often exist in silos with conflicting priorities, but the team is considering every aspect together as one to create a new paradigm for holistic wetland restoration.
Well, this workshop is really testing us, I think. It's pulling us outside of our comfort zone. The narrative emerging is really that we need to do this in a much more holistic manner. That yes, traditionally, ecological understanding has gotten us so far. And more recently, understanding of big governance challenges, yes, that brings us a little bit further again. But all of this costs money, for example. So the big finance questions are so important, but also the way we engage with communities and broader stakeholders of wetlands is so important.
We are trying to implement this holistic approach under this umbrella of co-creation. This is the difficulty, this is this challenge that we are in.
We bring together different pieces of the puzzle for creating better projects. At the end, the goal is to develop a new paradigm for upscaling the wetland restoration.
We're working together as people from very different disciplines, very different sort of directions that we're going in, but we are trying really, really hard to break the whole silo thing, to actually get outside our comfort zones, to work together in a way that's actually going to be potentially transformational into how we actually do restoration work in the future.
The key narratives, the need to do better in this co-creation, bringing people on board, listening to their stories with regards to what we're doing, how these people are going to be impacted, are part of the process.
After 2 days of workshops and creative exercises, the team has moved closer towards developing a new, strong narrative about the future of the wetlands, incorporating all the different pieces of the restoration puzzle. The more this new narrative takes shape, the more it brings to life all the achievements that the Waterlands project has made since it began in 2023. The strong narrative now emerging will act as a guide, showing how wetland restoration can be large-scale, climate neutral, socially just, led by citizens and communities with no net loss to biodiversity, all at the same time. And it will help set out a roadmap for how Waterlands will create a legacy for wetland restoration after the project ends in 2026. As we look to the future, we face a series of environmental and social challenges, including achieving the European Green Deal and upscaling wetland restoration across Europe. But through innovation, collaboration, and bringing together different disciplines to achieve one common goal, we will develop the solutions that Europe needs, today and tomorrow. For more information on the Waterlands Integration Workshop, visit waterlands.eu.